So, Bhaiya, what is the plan?
Are, I've got a phenomenal route mapped out here. We're going to go to the rural parts of Rewari.
Okay.
From there, we're going to go through some beautiful state highways which are going through Mohindergarh. From there, we'll get into the Satnali twisties. And from there, we go to Mandawa. Mandawa mein beautiful havelis, beautiful fresco paintings. We're going to have a phenomenal ball of a time. For me, riding is not about reaching from point A to point B. That entire ethereal feeling of the road behind the road under my tires, the tactile feedback from the motorcycle to me, that sound from below, that staccato beat telling me that everything is okay, all is well. That's the reason I ride actually. We have reached the Java Fest 2.0, guys. We are supposedly the first ones to arrive and looking forward to a great 2 days.
अंबाघनी, जय हिंद। सभी जावा राइडर को द जावा फेस्ट 2.0 के अंदर स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का। 150 प्लस राइडर पैन इंडिया से आज राजस्थान पहुंचने वाले हैं मंडावा के अंदर, और आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। मिलते हैं द जावा फेस्ट 2.0 में इंडिया के जावा राइडर्स के साथ।
We always believe that yes, there has to be a fest which has to happen in the north, and it has to be a fest which will bring people voluntarily up north. Because normally when people come north, it's only one, objective, just to go to Khardungla. Or it's never about going to Shimla, it's never about going to Uttarakhand, it's never about going to Rajasthan, it's mostly about Khardungla because that's the mecca of the biking fraternity. So we want to make something which is the equivalent of that, and I think in some measure we have actually figured that out today. Because today I am seeing people ride 2150 kilometers from Bangalore over just 3 days, literally less than 72 hours before he comes in over here. There are people riding in from Hyderabad, there are people who have ridden in from Bareilly, there are people who have come from all corners of Rajasthan, there are people who have come from Gujarat, there are people who have coming by train just to meet the people face to face. Maybe it's the bike, maybe it's the brand, but whatever it is, it's something that unites all of us. I think TGF is something that is really going to make a huge mark on a lot of people over a lot of time.
हटा तो गया कहीं जमीन पर ही लगन दौड़त जहां नजर भी हो एक छाँव जुल्फ़ी, बस वो निगाह प्यार की, बुखार था चला मैं।
आज हम जा रहे हैं हिस्टोरिक टाउन ऑफ मंडावा. मंडावा इज द सिटी which is called the open air art galleries of India. This entire region of Rajasthan is very unexplored, and I will suggest every people who come over to Rajasthan ki please visit Mandawa, Mukundgarh, Dundod, Bisaw, Churu and Navalgarh, Fatehpur. These are the towns which are really unexplored. मेरा ये मानना है कि जब तक आपके हाथ में कीज़ नहीं हो, यू आर लाइक हाफ डिपेंडेड ऑन अदर्स. सो आई नेवर कीप माई कीज़ अवे.
When I ride, I feel like it's me and my bike. If I am worried, if I am in a bad mood, I just go for a ride, and that gives me a kick.
ये प्यार है, जितना चलाओगे उतना बढ़ता जाता है. इसको शब्दों में बयान करना मुश्किल है. तो मैं चलाता हूँ, क्यों चलाता हूँ इसका जवाब मेरे पास नहीं है. शायद किसी को जुनून लगेगा, किसी को मेरा पैशन और किसी को मेरा प्यार.
We are at the Java Fest 2.0 today, and we are in the midst of a brilliant timed track event. The event is very, very simple. It's about a track which is about 300 meters long. It is a complete off-road track. This is going to be used by both the old Yazdi motorcycles and the new Java motorcycles as well. The idea is very simple. Everybody needs to wear safety gear before they get onto the track. We are hoping to see a lot of riders try to complete this circuit in about 30 seconds at least. It's a 300-meter track, so please keep that in mind. Safety gear is a must. We've got people like Bharat Singh participating in it. We've got Aditya Soni, who's going threatening for quite some time now to bring an old Java and do this off-road track for us. Apart from this, we've got, of course, some really great exponents. We've got the Amitabh Bachchan of the CJYC Club, who's going to be participating in this event, Rajveer. Let's see who wins this event and how it progresses.
उसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ होती है एक मोटरसाइकिल। मोटरसाइकिल आप उससे कहीं भी जा सकते हो, किसी भी तरह के अनएक्सप्लोर्ड जगह पे जा सकते हो। वो बहुत मतलब आपके लिए एक फ्रेंड की तरह होती है। जावा मेरी लाइफ में बहुत टाइम से है, क्योंकि मेरे फादर जावा चलाते थे, जावा उनके पास जावा थी 1968 मॉडल उनकी जावा, वो आज भी मेरे पास में है। और अब नई गाड़ी जब आई तो जावा मैंने भी ली है। और सबसे मेन चीज़ जैसा मैं कहता आ रहा हूँ कि ना आपको जहाँ जाना है वहाँ के लिए आपको एक राइडिंग कंपेनियन बहुत अच्छा चाहिए होता है। तो जावा उसी चीज़ के लिए बढ़िया रहती है मेरे लिए। और जावा के उसके लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि जहाँ चाहा वहाँ रहा।
It is such a beautiful feeling to go on a highway, for example, get on the tarmac, and then you suddenly hear this car whizzing past you at high speed. Riding at night, you know, it's like it's a completely different feeling. The lights coming from front of you, blinding you sometimes, lighting up the way for you sometimes. These are very different emotions that come to you actually.
जुनून है एक कहीं भी निकल जाने का, नए लोगों से मिलने का, अनएक्सप्लोर्ड जो भी जगह है उसको एक्सप्लोर करने का। एक कम्युनिटी है जहाँ पे एक ब्रदरहुड है, लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिलता है। जावा एक ब्रांड सिर्फ ब्रांड नहीं है, दिल के पास वाली वो चीज़ है जिसका नाम सुन के धड़कनें तेज़ हो जाती है। और इसी धड़कन ने लाखों लोगों को जोड़ा है।
And this is the Punjab team, and they're going to be participating right now. We're going to be talking to Monica to figure out what is her strategy.
Elbow.
Elbow.
3 सेकंड में
You're
दिख
going to give
जाएगी।
someone the elbow. The strategy is to give someone the elbow. What is your strategy?
जोर लगा के हैशा।
जोर लगा के हैशा।
जोर लगा के हैशा।
स्मॉल कम्युनिटी हैं हम, पर बहुत पावरफुल है, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं इधर। दिस कम्युनिटी हैज मेड मी सी प्लेसेस।
जावा फेस्ट 2.0 एक ऐसा इवेंट जो बहुत टाइम से एक ड्रीम था, एक सपना था कि ऐसा कुछ नॉर्थ रीजन में करा जाए कि जो इस लेवल पे आकर के हो और इससे भी नेक्स्ट लेवल तक आगे जाए।
If you talk about the community, I'll frankly speaking, they are very open-minded. That's what we look forward, and what we recommend is, if you own this, you know the meaning of biking, and you love to unite. And when you love to unite, if you get like-minded people together, I feel that this is the best place getting together.
If I talk about the Java, I think vintage is vintage. But if you talk about the latest Java, which came in Indian market, I think we have a variety. If you talk about people who love classic, you have classic Java, you have Chrome everywhere. Like you will get the same sense, the same engine, the same silencer, the same body language, but in a classic way. And people who are passionate about speed, styling, then you have 42. And if you want something out of the box, you have actually the legal bobber in India, that is Parag. And it is again something which is standing out of the crowd.
ये मोटरसाइकिल आज की जनरेशन में जिसके पास है वो कहीं ना कहीं वो किसी मतलब अपने दादाजी की है उनके, या उनके रिलेशन में कहीं नाना जी की है, पापा की है, तो एक इमोशनल अटैचमेंट है इस मोटर बाइक से, इस ब्रांड से.
Honestly, now I've just started riding, getting to know about the old Java ASDs, now planning to buy them. So it's a different level of, thinking and planning that way.
Brotherhood. Like here, if you have seen a lot of people from different part of India, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Punjab, then Delhi, and when you today in the evening when I met everyone, it's like everyone is brother, right? We are meeting all sisters and sister-in-laws like that, and it's a big family, and you enjoy. You don't feel shy to be open with them, and whenever you talk to them, every time you get a new experience. So that's a good takeaway for me.
Java community is actually one of the strongest communities I have seen in the vintage world. It's a large gathering of people from across the country actually today. It's not just about two old vintage vehicles going together. It is about the vintage and the current vehicles going together. And it's amazing. The vintage keeps up with the current bikes.
Meeting new people and massive love seen for the bike. The community.
The brotherhood is one of the biggest things that happens in Java right now.